Hey everyone, I'm Wyatt Jenkins. I'm the head of product for mid-market at Intuit. I've been here just over 2 months and I couldn't be more excited. This is a moment that we have together, an opportunity to define the future of how vertical platforms are built and scaled. And I am energized to be a part of that journey. I'd love to share just a bit of my background so you get to know me. I've spent about 25 years in the tech industry, and most recently, I was the chief product officer at Procore, where I help build and scale end-to-end construction solutions, including financials, payments, and products built for the field. Construction is also deeply personal to me. I grew up on job sites. My folks, they built those cell phone towers that look like trees, but they don't look really like trees. But my mom was in the back office managing the business with QuickBooks, and my dad was out in the field leading the teams. This combination of deep industry experience and customer obsession really shapes how I think about building vertical solutions. And I'm excited about what we can all create together. I'd like to start with the strategy for Intuit Enterprise Suite, to be the AI-native financial command center. We're pairing enterprise-grade power and capability with intuitive, flexible experiences built around how folks actually work. I want to take a moment to ground us on how the Intuit Enterprise Suite components come together. Starting with our industry solutions. Our first vertical is construction, which I'll demo here in just a moment, and then field services, manufacturing, nonprofit, and healthcare. Below that, you'll see our robust enterprise capabilities that we offer, spanning from the mission-critical parts of your work, like core accounting and reporting, the basics, all the way out to spend management. Finally, we're really excited about the ecosystem. Apps, partners, value-added resellers, and of course, accountants. Over the course of the next coming months, we're rolling out business models to help you build a profitable business with Intuit Enterprise Suite. Additionally, we're excited to continue expanding out our sandbox program, including seeded data and protected APIs, so that you can show off IES, train your team, and test new features and integrations with confidence. We just released our new Open Beta Construction Edition. This marks a big moment for us as we go deep into our industry customization. Now, when I talk about roadmap, I usually frame it in a now, next, future. Now is what we're doing today. Next is about 12 months out, and the future is more than a year. So let's take a look at the now. We're taking a big step forward and tailoring the experience for different industries. To ground this, let's start with who we're talking about. So Candace here is part of the advisory team at Red Hammer Accounting, doing fractional CFO work for Keystone Construction, a $10 million a year company with a single entity who just signed up for Intuit Enterprise Suite. As Candace logs in, we welcome her with a personalized experience for the construction industry, as well as specific financial workflows. When Candace lands on the homepage, she immediately sees the most relevant KPIs to her business. This is how we're building a product tailored to your clients. With the homepage as a command center, you can customize what KPIs you see when you log in. We'll offer recommendations by industry and role, so you're in control. Now, for construction, we know project profitability is a favorite KPI. It's a bird's eye view of which projects are running off the rails and which ones are doing really well. I've talked to a lot of CFOs, and the thing that keeps them up at night is project profitability. Am I going to run out of cash on this project? Why? Because there's change orders, lien waivers, compliance, and all of that could come in all at once and drain the cash out of a project. As we go beyond high-level dashboards, insights are backed by deep construction workflows. Whether it's budgeting with phasing, managing change orders, or AIA-style invoicing, we're giving Candace here the industry-specific tools to take action right within the platform. Let's drill just a bit deeper. With Intuit Intelligence, which Nung touched on earlier, you can have a conversation and get that same rich experience where you're pulling the data. So here, Candace is asking Intuit Intelligence, what are the 3 most profitable projects in the last 6 months? She's able to get a quick answer to those questions. Another thing we've done for the user experience is adding custom shortcuts that allow you and your clients to go straight into deeper industry-focused workflows. So in this case, Candace navigates into the construction financial dashboard and is greeted with an AI summary, providing her with a concise snapshot of overall financial health. She can see a pre-made dashboard that has critical business health KPIs ranging from project backlogs to gross and net profit margins by project, budget versus actuals, or overdue project invoices. Now, many firms take different approaches when going to market. Some lead with industry, others stay more horizontal. Either way, accountants tell us industry context is what makes the work resonate with clients. They add a lot of value by tailoring KPIs and dashboards to each client's business, and now IES supports that level of customization. Building on the KPIs Rodrigo just walked through, it's important to note that everything available in QuickBooks Online Advanced is also available in IES. For accountants, this matters because visibility and control are everything. Being able to customize what each client sees ensures the right metrics are front and center. No noise, no confusion. This kind of high-level view makes it easier to monitor performance across clients, spot issues early, and have more strategic, value-driven conversations. All right, so here we've got Fernando, who's an accountant at Red Hammer Accounting, which is the accounting firm that helps Keystone Construction. Fernando logs into IES to create a new specific KPI. He can customize this KPI to his client's specific needs. In this case, he creates a KPI to track change orders per project, including description, unit of measure, variance, and even the calculation method. And with one click, he saves it into the KPI scorecard, and it's highlighted with a marker that your client can see. That way, when your client logs in, they see exactly what you talked about in your last meeting. We are stoked about everything I just covered for construction tailoring, but we're on a long journey to continue to provide value across industries, which brings me into what we're doing next. Here's an early look at how third-party data could surface directly on the Intuit Enterprise Suite homepage. In the future, your clients will be able to view third-party cards directly within IES, with information such as crew schedules, labor productivity, all flowing seamlessly from best-of-breed tools into the IES experience. The approach reflects a core part of our IES strategy, making third-party data foundational to the platform through robust data connections. By connecting your other tools directly into IES and combining that with Intuit financial data, we can surface earlier insights and predictions so you can have more proactive conversations with clients. The result of all this is a more connected view of the business, enabling earlier insights and more proactive, informed conversations. We're also going to go significantly deeper across additional verticals beyond construction. And we built a framework that allows us to tailor the product for a fast follow of other verticals, including nonprofit, field services, healthcare, and manufacturing. Let's talk about the future. One of the things I'm most excited about is role-based personalization within large organizations. Different roles need different views. Think controllers versus estimators, superintendents, and operations leaders all interact with the product in distinct ways. That's why we're moving beyond industry-based experiences to deliver role-based personalization tailored to specific roles at a company. Looking ahead, we also see a strong opportunity in customization and cross-platform agents. The beauty of agents is it lets you scale your workforce, giving you time back. Customers are going to be able to tailor agents by adjusting workflows or the knowledge domains that they draw from, rather than relying on a fixed automation. In parallel, cross-platform agents will operate seamlessly across IES and best-of-breed partners. Think about instantiating an agent from a labor productivity, best-in-breed solution, and then completing and taking an action in IES. This is going to create a more powerful and sticky ecosystem. This example right here illustrates that concept. A third-party agent identifies a potential change order out in the field, and it collaborates with Intuit Intelligence inside of IES. It's assessing the financial implications before anything formally impacts the budget. Together, they surface key signals such as scope, cost, schedule changes, and likely cause, and evaluate risk from a financial perspective. The result is earlier visibility into emerging issues and a shared AI-driven understanding across platforms. This helps teams identify risks sooner and make more informed decisions as work moves from possibility into action. All right, I'm really excited about everything we just walked through, from what we're delivering now, next, and then to our longer-term future vision. This is very much a journey that we're all on together, and partnership is core to how we succeed. We're looking forward to working closely with you to help complete truly end-to-end workflows for our shared customers. To that end, the IES certification is now live in the Pro Advisor Academy. We know that you want to deeply understand and have confidence in the products you recommend. With focus areas on the IES interface, projects, business intelligence in IES, and managing multi-entities, this certification is the best way to deepen your expertise and efficiency in Intuit Enterprise Suite as our platform evolves. Thank you.